Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes, kids shapes drawing and color fill. Kids first color name, brown color, blue color, yellow color, green color, red color, purple color, light pink color, sky blue color, pink color and orange color. Shapes drawing kids, green color, hexagon, circle, pentagon, kids pentagon, triangle, heart, star, kids star, color fill kids, light green color, hexagon, circle, red color, black color, black color, pentagon, yellow color, triangle, light pink color, heart, sky blue color, star. Kids shapes name repeat: hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.